Happy birthday, Sir Mike. Wishing you all the best. Good health to you and to your family. Again, from Dobroni, Croatia, happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Mike Valle. Here's to another year of good health and happiness. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Mike! Ikakanta lang natin. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday, Mike! Surprise! Andito ako, di ba?
Oo, magkakasama na naman kami. Punta ka na din dito. So, more birthdays to come. Good health.
Good health. Stay healthy pa rin.
Yes.
Exactly.
We miss you.
We miss you, of course. Happy birthday, mate. 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday,
Mike.
God bless.
God bless.
Enjoy your Pinas holiday and...
More bikes to come.
Go.
Happy birthday, Tito Mike!
Sing.
Happy birthday, Tito Mike! Happy birthday, Tito Mike! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Tito Mike! I'm done!
Hello vlog, welcome to my guys. Nandito tayo sa lugar na alam nyo na kung saan to upang batiin ng isang maligayang kaarawan, si Boss Mike. Boss Mike, mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo. Isa kang alamat.
Mike, happy birthday.
Mike, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Kita-kits sa Paluma Push. Hope you enjoy your vacation. Thank you.
Mike, happy birthday.
Hello Mike, happy birthday sana maka-join ka sa Paluma this year. Happy birthday, enjoy your birthday.
Sir Mike. Happy birthday, Daddy. Kamusta na? Kamusta na mag-50? 50 ka na ba? 50 na ba? Hindi pa, wala. Joke lang. Happy birthday! Sorry, di ako kasama ngayon sa bakasyon nyo. Anyways, bawi kami ni na Louie. Kayo naman pupunta kayo dito, di ba? Gusto ni Jello. I wish you all the good health, happiness, and I'm sure mag-enjoy ka sa Pinas eh. Dream vacation mo yung April, di ba?
Sana all.
China all. O, ano daw yung wish nyo kay Michael?
Happy birthday, sir. Masaya ako kasi may bago ka ng career. Sana mapapunta mo kami dyan. At saka dalawin mo rin kami dito.
Saan ka ba kasi?
Happy birthday, Sir Mike. Enjoy mo lang yung day mo sa Philippines. Saka ingat lagi. Balance life. Pa ba?
Enjoy mo yung gastos sa Philippines.
Oo, kailan ka daw babalik ng Canada? Na-miss ka na ng Canada.
O tayo na lang pumunta ng Australia.
Pwede rin. Basta, ano mo yung ano
Ingat
mo.
lagi.
Yung aso mo Naku, si Start. Naku.
Ay, may aso
Apakalaki
ka
ng
pala.
aso ni Jello. Alam mo yan, Mami. Anyways, happy birthday. Enjoy.
Happy birthday.
See you soon. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Tito Mike.
We
Miss you guys. Stay healthy, pre.
Hope to see you on my debut next year.
Yay.
Yay,
Hello,
debut.
Jello.
Hi, hello, Jello. Hi, Mom. I miss you. Say hi ka na. Say hi. Hi. Ingat kayo lagi.
Ingat
Bye.
kayo lagi.
Enjoy
Bye-bye.
Pinas.
Enjoy Pinas.
Pino.
Hello, Boss Mike. Birthday mo pa na ngayon. Happy birthday. Mukhang malalapit ka na sa mga 50s. Okay, happy birthday, Mike. Enjoy.
Happiest birthday, Bossing Mike. Hope you have a good one. Good health palagi. Enjoy your vacation. See you soon. Bye-bye. Happy birthday.
Hi, Ninong Mike. Happy birthday po. Wish ko lang po sana humaba pa ang buhay nyo at para makapagpasaya pa po kayo ng maraming tao. Especially po si Ninang Angel. Yun lang po. Stay healthy. God bless you and to your family.
With all your community service and the love for your family, Ninong, I know that the Lord will continue to shower you with blessings and provide a prosperous life. We hope that you have a beautiful day spent with your family. And yeah, happy birthday po.
Happy birthday, Ninong Mike.
Boss Mike of Atherton, Australia. More power to you. don't forget na may Ryan Flores na nagsusupport sa iyo, si Baboy. Happy birthday, man. Love you. God bless.
Happy birthday to Mike Balye. Enjoy and God bless.